Nessa, why not go so cute, boss? She keep seafood boil. Why not go so her for your ingredients? You're not so cute, boss. So all the papers for Roger not reach it. Nessa coming up. Big old Nessa, you know, say you walk and tell lie like dog. That me not like within a bitch. You walk and tell lie like dog. Oh, Roger do you and talk so much things, boy, and a Rosealee you go for. Why you not go for Roger? When you go for Roger, the me a chat Diamond man, Ivan man, Diamond man. Look here, stink our class, dirty figure it out, you know. A nasty drunk crow. When it's not your body, it's your cocky. Make up your mind, I don't know who for man you be. I will cuss and go on bad, now. I will do them dirty puzzle here, man. Trouble! It's giving trouble, man. Pick a struggle. Sure. Show them I tell me say it's fair, man. No Ivan here claim him. No blood say other. Look here, I'm tired down the dirty blood finger. I'm tired! Me no want hear who fit who because number one figure out taller than the whole of them. Figure it out taller than the whole of them. So me no want to come on here so and talk about who fit who. You understand me? Because he's a tall dude. And Nessa you walk us through the app. Nessa, which policeman you there with your walk us through the app? Me here say you there with a judge. I saw me here. Nessa, you can't hold me accountable like here say. Me here say you there with a judge. That is why you walk and issue papers to people who can't read. Yeah, 25. No question about my man, big hole. No question about my man. No question about my man. You ask me if 25 inside. You go let me take your brother. You go like your brother. And your brother can't hold in her hand and make like Fabi when she skin out. Fabi little bit here. Fabi little bit and now all ugly. When I understand that part, then Jaden your cocky supposed to shame when you said it. You can't believe it. Yes, anyways, what me did there? Who me did class a while ago? Nessa Bling. Come here now. See why me you can't angry. Nessa Bling and them tell me the things. Nessa Bling, you a lie attack? Me just ask you something you mean for putting in a more mix up because you're full of court case. You a lie attack? Me just ask if you a lie attack. Eh? Big old Nessa, you take long for answer. Oh, you a lie attack? Oh, me can't ask if I take out papers for RT, then film leave Blinger. Me say, me not like RT, no, but RT make me laugh. Me can't hide my laugh, you know. Where say Cisco, pay out for one? Nessa Bling, pay out for one? What kind of pay out for one? Cisco, what kind of news this year carry? Pay out for one, come now man. Nessa Bling, you know about that pay out here? Over pay out, them I figure it out. Ivan, who's? Nessa, Rosa, who's? 10 million or something. Nessa, the money they get. All of the money my Roger give you must want you back after you get the money though. You get Grave Hamilton. Oh, spice. Oh, spice. 10 million US dollar RT boss I go get. Call RT boss, I want to sell him something. Call him now. I know more RT. You know say RT ever sexy to me? Him always sexy, even when the bumps on his butt. He got bumps like a truck. Things want bust. Me nah like, we gotta do it again. Me not like, I know more I said RT something. No man, RT boss I go get the money for sure. Jesus Savior, I'm gonna cuss the man too early. Eh? RT me I play that song for you.
Feels like a dream, feels like magic.
Me not like, I know more I said RT something. No man, RT boss I go get the money for sure. Jesus Savior, I'm gonna cuss the man too early. Eh? RT me I play that song for you.
Feels like a dream, feels like magic. magic.
And that's not kind of feel like
Now I believe I can have it. Ooh, ooh, Tolu. All of my wishes came true. Shot like a billionaire. Shot like a billionaire. Ooh, Tolu.
Nessa go valaya. Auntie boss, this is your son to me. From me to you. Why me not let me just develop a piece of love for you?
You've been on my mind.
Lies. I don't have no feelings. Lies. I don't lose nothing at all. It's just the money me I think about. 60 million and up. My gosh, shit. Nessa, come here. Did you think you ever get the money there? Oh, you mean 60 million? Rosealee, can you even count to 1,000? Then oh, you mean 60 million? Nessa, why not going? Nessa, you for going now? You know you're gonna make the internet do you like what them do share? You for go about 60 million. Where Rosealee for find that the judge are gonna run you out of court. From the judge look for him, I gonna run you. Where the bitch should get 60 million from? Eh? Yeah, idiot. The judge not even got 20. Me not think he may even got 10. What you say? Then you can't sue somebody who bankrupt. Rosealee never work a day in her life yet, you know, so who you so? You must have planned for prison, the bitch. A prison, you want prisoner because she not have it. We should forget it from Nessa. I want the mama blood finger. I want if Nessa want me chop her with something. I will chop Nessa with one of my dollar shoes, them, you know. Watch how the judge are going to kick up your nastiness. The judge going to move from Nessa and clap you with a gavel. With a gavel. That G something there. Yeah, the gavel. Nessa me go conk you with a girl if you did in front of me, you see. You think a Rosealee and you that battle you now, and me and you that battle, you have to keep the cocoa when you have to carry a coat. Oh, come that girl built in coat. 60. Nessa, you plan for buy one world. And we have take out everything from Rosealee where Granny ever do to people back in the day downtown in a market. A little bit of money that, You know, from when I don't say $1,000. People honestly, from when I don't say $1,000, look here. This me a par with my love. I can turn it the next way. Oh, it look like 20 or 50. The next one, this me I carry the coat go show your honor. Your judginess, look at this. This bitch is a waste of time. You know, from when I don't eat something substantial. Look there. This shot are how much zeros now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 zeros this shot. Can't bother your honor. Why? Nessa, why not go so cute, boss? She keep seafood boil. Why not go sour for your ingredients? You're not so cute, boss. So all the papers for Roger not reach it. Nessa coming up. Big old Nessa, you know, say you walk and tell lie like dog. That me not like within a bitch. You walk and tell lie like dog. Oh, Roger do you and talk so much things, boy, and a Rosealee you go for. Why you not go for Roger? When you go for Roger, the bike's still on the veranda. Eh? The bikes are still on the veranda. Nessa, where you gone? You know, so she's a bitch. Gotta see me, Joe, buckling up and play with my toe. Weak fence. Come after Rosealee and a weak fence. You know, you were Rosealee do one boy what the last night. After Rosealee and a weak fence. Not true, you hear me talk to Nessa, so. After Rosealee and a weak fence, Rosealee you go on like she a mighty mouse. Eh? After Rosealee and a weak face, Rosealee no go like a she run the world, no female dodos. A female dodos. No treat him talk to Nessa Nessa what your name again? Nessa Bling. No treat him talk to Nessa Bling, so you understand me? Come here and so it go. And so it go. I always remember and so it go my baby. Roger have bad man so we shoot up the papers. Backside that's so my sister Batty did a go on. She charge it. Roger book like that, Roger not have no man. After Roger and Shan never there. Roger and Shan never there. Oh, Roger and Shan for them, the boy them did a grind Shan too. Eh? Roger you just have Shan around. Eh? Everybody did a grind Shan. When I go like Shan a prize. Then come here now. Then Roger. And that's why I don't like my program, you know. Then Nessa is a big dirty nasty hypocrite. He is a big dirty nasty hypocrite. Then why you never tell me say Roger get served too? I used to think that I could not. Welcome. Welcome Roger and Rosealee. Welcome. You never did a read. Nessa don't make a this up your nasty corruption blood. Hey girl, you think say you can't take out nothing from a bitch? You did put up nothing? You did put up nothing, bitch? Oh you mean me never did a read? Eh? Anyhow you did put it up, me I see it. Yeah, well, me can't read. Hey girl, not tell a lie for me. You could have been right. Look how long me there ask you. Me not take time with her. Come here, walk and pick up for the bitch. Now pick up for the bitch. She didn't say it for sure. I lied. Then me never see it. Then why she never shout it? Eh? Then Nessa why never shout it? And look at it, let me go in on here. Lord, I have to look out for a paper now. Oh God, I have to look out for a paper, you know. Cause Nessa walk herself. Nessa, you intersensus. Apologize. For apologize and she don't call her a liar already. Eh? Mr. Key move. Hey girl, I told this that they give me now one, you know. I told this that they give me now one, you know. The bad word and the mister. Hey girl, you know what you do, you know. Me no run them joke there, you know. I told this that you give me in a one. And it's not funny. If you tell me a bad word, you tell me a bad word. But not call me no mister and no bad word. Look for a paper, Nessa. To bloodshot. Look for a paper. Cause since you alone know for put ink to paper. Look for a paper. You bitch. I go suit your sorrow. Yeah. May I show you, this is what I want you to say long time. This is how I want you to treat me long time. It's a setup. Lady Mark later. I love when you hear it, little more.